Hello and welcome. Today I want us to look at, let me just Jupyter notebook. I want us to look at how to clean the data. We identified some issues with the data which was having not a number. So today I want us to clean our data so that all our data is having a number. So as usual, we start and run our kernel, and let's see where we saw there is no number. This is not a number, this is not a number, this is not a number, this is not a number. So to clean this data, there are two ways. One is to delete this manually or use this formula here. So clean df.tail, this means you come to the last 5 and you clean everything that is not a number. Or you can use this clean df drop not a number, anything that is there in the clean df. So clean df is equal to that one, or clean df is equal to that. So let me remove this. You can delete this manually, you see, but I don't want to use this or people use that because it's not good. Okay, I want to use this method here.